So let's solve this composite function, okay? Whenever you have function inside another function, for instance, you can see this x raised to power 2 is what the inner function, and this sign is what is the outer function. So what this thing means that you're solving function inside what another function. So that inner function, you make it as what as a u. So in that instance, I'll say our u is equal to what x raised to power 2, and our y is the outer function is equal to what sine u. Alright, so our du dx, will be equal to what 2x. Okay, so our dy du is equal to what cos u. Alright, so dy dx is essentially the same thing, writing du dx times dy du. Okay, no line here. So say it's equal to du dx. Du dx is what is 2x times dy du. Dy du is what cos u. Okay, so if you multiply them together, we are going to have 2x cos u. Okay, and obviously you can say anytime, since we know that anytime you see u, represent it as x raised to power 2. So in that instance, we say our dy over dx is equal to what 2s cos u is what u is s square. Okay, so this is basically how to solve function inside another function.